Breaking news, Samsung fans! What if I told you One UI 8 powered by Android 16 is dropping this July and it's about to blow your mind? Forget the delays of the past. Samsung's hitting the gas and we've got the scoop. Stick around to find out why this could be the fastest update Samsung's ever dropped. Welcome back to GadInsider, where we unpack the hottest tech news. Samsung just flipped the script. After a bumpy ride with One UI 7, they're promising One UI 8. Based on Android 16, which will launch with their next-gen foldables in July. That's right, no more waiting until winter. Let's dive into what's cooking with this game changer. So what's the deal with One UI 8? First off, it's tied to Android 16, which Google's fast-tracking for a June release, way ahead of their usual schedule. Samsung's jumping on that train, reportedly launching One UI 8 alongside the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 in July. That's a full 3 months earlier than their typical timeline. Sources say Samsung's been testing this update internally for weeks, with builds spotted on the Galaxy S25 series already. And get this, they might skip those pesky 0.1 updates after One UI 7 and go straight to 8.0. Why? Because they've done the heavy lifting with One UI 7's overhaul, and now it's all about speed and slick new features. Imagine smoother animations, smarter AI, and maybe even some foldable exclusive tricks, all hitting your phone this summer. Now let's talk why this matters. One UI 7 took forever. Beta in December, stable rollout just starting now in April. Fans were frustrated, and Samsung heard you loud and clear. This July launch isn't just as fast, it's a statement. If it holds, the Z Fold 7 and Flip 7 could be the first non-Pixel phones rocking Android 16 out of the box, beating Google's own Pixel 10 drop in August. That's a flex. Plus, with Google shifting to 2 big Android updates a year, Samsung's syncing up to keep your Galaxy ahead of the curve. Older devices like the S24, S23, and Z Fold 6 might not wait long either. We could see One UI 8 rollout start shortly after July. This is Samsung saying, "We're back and we're not messing around." Okay, now picture this. You're unboxing a Galaxy Z Fold 7 in July, and boom, One UI 8 greets you with next-level vibes. What do you want to see? A revamped DeX mode? Crazy AI upgrades? Foldable multitasking that reads your mind? Drop your wish list in the comments.